Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be using the lever action shotgun. Right here, as you can see guys, it's the lever action shotgun. Bring on the pain and crank out a victory with the new lever action shotgun. Hopefully that happens. So yeah, we're gonna just be going into a solo pub game, and you know, let's just see what we can do, guys. I think, can it beat the pump? I don't know if it can. I don't think it can outdo the pump, but let's see what it can do. Let's just see what it can do. You know, I'm always grateful for a new shotgun. Is it better than the tac, or is it better than the pump? Can it outdo the pump? Is it better than the charge? We're gonna answer those questions. You know, kind of is my opinion. I don't really like the charge that much. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Oh my god, it's actually good. It's actually good. What the frick? It's actually good. No, what the frick? Yo, it's actually good, bro. I'm not even kidding. Like 1 in 12, only with a common. Actually good, not bad. Let's go pleasant. Not bad. Like, that presentation was insane. Might not be better than the pump, but still a great gun. I really like that gun. Looked amazing. Might be better than the tac. I don't know. I think it might not beat the tac, but we'll see, guys. It takes a like 2-second wait time to get to the next bullet. So I think it might be worse than the tac, because when you shoot it, it's kind of like a revolver, where it kind of flips around when you reload it. It's kind of like that when you shoot a bullet. So, oh my god, a lot of people are actually coming here, bro. This was the last place, one of the last places on the thing. Like, why are people coming here? I'm kind of shocked, to be honest. Oh my god, I have all of the doghouse for myself. Let's go. Doghouse is probably the best place on Pleasant Park. Really like Doghouse. Alright. Okay, so I think the chest is here in this house. Yeah, right here. And I know there's a chest outside, like in like a doghouse. I don't care, you know. Let's just put them on. See what we can do, guys. I don't know, man. But okay, we got an SMG. Got a pistol. Loadouts isn't too good so far. Let's see if we can make it better. Any shotgun? Any shotgun? Please. Tac, alright, but that's not what we're looking for today. I would be happy, but that's not what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. The lever action shotgun. This is gonna be actually pretty great. Oh, hi Duggo. I guess we can do player. Exobia Cabalodux. What the freak is that username? Bro, oh my god. See you guys. Alright, so wanna kind of head near the opponent. Dead! Yo, this shotgun is insane! Let's go, river and river, let's go! This shotgun is insane! Like, did I do like 112? What was that? What the frick? I'm gonna take this though. I do like the matchup with the lever action and the and the lever thing, but I feel like I'm gonna go with this. Sorry, but it was kind of cool putting a lever sniper and this at the same loadout. But both look better in my opinion. So nice. That was amazing, guys. Like guys, did you guys see that? Like, man, was it just me? I think I'm tripping. What was that? I just demolished that guy. I even feel sad for him, bro. Like, okay, wait, are we going for the bounty though? Okay, so he's also moved, so I guess see a person there. Oh, that's him. Let's go! Dead. GG. Had no gun. That's insane. The guy had no gun. I feel sad, bro. There were so much guns here. Like, how'd you get this far in the game, but you had no gun? Oh, shoot. Guy. I hear a car, but nah, doesn't matter. Oh, he passed on me. I just saw him. Well, nice snipe that I got there. I feel like I'm not gonna use the pistol that much this game. I don't even think I might even use it at all. Oh wait, is that an attack? Oh, another lever. Or lever. I don't know. However you guys say it. It's lever. Is it like tomato? I'm pretty sure it's lever action. Or lever action. I'm pretty sure it's lever. It sounds more efficient and better, I'm pretty sure. Oh, so IO bots are there. Hopefully my friend doesn't literally spam me with invites right now as I'm recording a video. I don't see any people yet. I think I'm good. This gun is actually good though so far. Yo, wait, hold up. Sorry, I had to stop talking. But I just saw someone. I don't know where they are. I'm not tripping. I literally just saw someone run. Go back, forward a bit. I don't even know. Do you say back forward? I don't know. But go back a bit in my video, and you'll see that a guy I just saw right there. Yo, he's an OG. Look at his skin. He's a season 3 OG. Let's go for this kid. Oh, I'm missing all my shots. What is my bloom today? Boom, what? This guy attacking, literally. The frig? What the frig? Oh, you're not. Yo, I'm missing all my shots. Dead! You're literally dead! Oh my god, what is me and Snipes doing today, bro? Bro, I'm kind of using the sniper a little too much today, bro. What the? Legitimately. Okay, I'm gonna use this new shotgun. This guy. just lagged there, but I still killed him. Anyone want to get this gold? I don't need it. Well, let's go for this loot, guys. His loot sucks. Kind of not even amazed. Killed him. Hey, Ronnie. Oh, GG. What? Who? Iron Skull 50. I don't really like this skin. It's kind of creepy because you're literally wearing the head as a backbling. Kind of creepy, to be honest, but. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. That's the lever action shotgun. We got 2 kills with that gun. We almost got that other kill. I'm kind of lagging when I'm jumping around and shooting. I know you guys might have felt that before as well when you're jumping around and shooting with another guy jumping around and shooting you. It kind of, you know, lags. Oh, wait, are you guys gonna try to get the Gref G skin? In this tournament to get the Gref G set? I am. Hopefully I can get this Gref G skin because that'll be amazing to get it before it even comes on the item shop. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. That's the lever action shotgun. If you guys enjoyed this video, and then smash the like button. And if you guys want me to do more Fortnite videos, like comment down below and I'll do more Fortnite videos. So anyway, thank you guys for watching the video and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.